Hello traders, welcome to episode 312 of TA Me Mitch Ray on a Saturday. Hope you're doing awesome. I know I am. Hey man, we've had this up, been waiting for it. Hey, we ran up last night shortly after I ended the stream and hit that 3752, the 382 from your C to D, your high to low. So first little target acquired. Once we hit that, clearly you can see we were rejected there. 37.52, currently sitting at 36.45. All right, so $100 down from that highest high we've seen since we bottomed at that 78% retrace from X to A of the Garley. Dang, dude, audio's doing well today. Ah, okay, I get it. All right, so anyway, I mean, next target we would want to see is the 618 at 39.32. I don't know if we'll get there, but we had the bullish divergence of some sort, right, on not only the daily a little bit, but also the 4 hour. And that was kind of it. So we're just slightly upsloping, very, very little volume, okay, but you know, trading still happens when there's little volume, okay. So we're going 3 target approach versus Casey Stubbs 2 target approach of the top point of C and the top point of A. All right, we'll see if we get there, Casey, but we're going to be a little bit more conservative in this crazy market. Okay, so anyway, that's really your update on Bitcoin. Nice little move last night. That's about it. Not making any kind of higher highs in your previous highs at all. Okay, so just gotta love the stalling, right? We had the cipher pattern, X, A, B, C, D into the Gartley. All right, and you can clearly see the dumpage we had in November all the way down is beginning to stall. Okay, making the higher lows now. Okay, that's it, man. Let's see if we can get a couple more targets hit. Hope y'all having a good Saturday. What y'all been up to? Seriously. What's up, MK dude? Cover Crypto, Coach K. What's up, List? Matt W. Oh yeah, weekend's going pretty good. How's your weekend, Matt? What's up, Jeremy S? TRX futures on BitMEX. Jules, is that what gave us the pump or the pop to the upside? Hey man, it's all that. Well, we can take a look at that chart. I posted it in Discord, I think, right? So anyway, what's up, Timothy L, JD, Mag Carl, Moz? Those IPAs really sneak up on you? Yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm still feeling it a little bit. Skyrim, man, with you. Okay. Hey, what's up, Dan and Melissa? Or just really Dan right now. Yeah, enjoying the weekend, dude. Glad to see y'all. Okay, as always, you know, just coming on day stream. I normally never day stream on Saturday. I just figured I'd come on, just give kind of the update. The fact that we did hit the 38.2 was great, man. That's awesome. Okay, so haven't dumped yet. We haven't gone to zero like everyone's saying we are, man. We're going to zero, dude. What's up, John Legend? Zed Zerps is lurking again. Awesome, dude. JD won $60 on basketball, NCAA basketball. Congratulations, JD, man. Best of luck on your, you know, your remaining bets. It seems like you have more in play. What's up, Jurgen, dude? Essex Hammer, come on, England, dude. King Logan with the 8 ball. Phil Centura, good day, mate. Australia Day was yesterday, and yeah, man, we celebrated with Tim Tams and Vegemite and Irakanjis, dude. All right. What's up, Marcos? Marcos not even gonna say hi, dude. Just do my coin. Screw you, Ray. All right, Marcos, screw me. I like one on the list. What's up, Pedro, coming in from Portugal. What's up, dude? Hope you're having a good one. XRP to $9,500 by 2021. Get wrecked, Schultz, man. Get wrecked. All right. What's up, F66, Z66, dude? Shaylin, what's up, man? You working hard, dude? Did you get my message, man? Awkward. Weird when we work together. You know. It's just like, whatever. Ducey says, keep looking at the charts, hoping for a change. Dude, we're not hoping for a change. We're literally analyzing oscillators and price action and higher lows. What are you doing? Keep coming into this channel saying keep looking at those charts hoping for a chance. I'll keep laughing, dude. I don't know. Like, what are you doing with your life, dude? Unexpected stream, caught me by chance, surf fishing. Yeah, man. What's up, dude? Arthur's been cutting wood watching games. Dude, cutting wood, man. Sounds pretty lumberjack. Yeah, hopefully you were wearing a plaid shirt like me, dude. Alright. What's up, Thomas Law? DL Delarose. What's up, man? Alright, we made it, dude. We made it to chat. Okay, so that's a Bitcoin your update. Hit the first target of the Gartley, or 3 at 2. Wonderful. Ethereum. Remember the new perspective we have on Ethereum, the downsloping channel. Pretty simple, right? Jeez, man, just getting FPS leaks. Yeah, dude, like right now, my CPU usage is like at like 50% sometimes. It's just, and I don't know if it's the if it's my program, dude. It's called IQ. It's Corsair. It's their LED RGB control panel for all the lights on my computer. And dude, it gives me some stability issues, and I don't really know why. I just disabled it. I just like closed it out, so no more craziness in the lights. But dude, I can see my FPS a little bit better now. Weird, man. Something so lightweight. Like, you figure they would be lightweight. I don't know, Jeremy S, man. If you're in here, you got any words for that? It's like weird, dude. Okay. Link film in. Alright, dude, put a link on the list. Alright. Well, actually, you got the pair too you want. Alright. Sweet, dude. Okay, so Ethereum, I guess we want to zoom out. We can. We can, man. Sorry, still a little FPS droppage. Right. Really, you know, just all the anchor points on the bottom, just one on the top, and we've somehow broken out. Okay, this is the shorter term. Like, look, if you know anything about the other way we charted this, the larger way, like from all-time highs, we've also broken out too. Okay, no denying that. But just for, you know, the sake of that May swing high, that major swing high where we would fib anyway, high to your low, we have broken. We've broken out. But, you know, in the short term, we have our equidistant channel giving us a scope vision about what's going on. Right? Crazy how it lines up so well right here. But it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. All right, man. So the thing we talked about was this critical support level from, you know, December 27th, from January 13th, over and over and over. You can't get a candle body close below that. And again, yesterday we tried falling below. We can't. But I mean, look, when we get our chance to break to the upside, we're just stalling. We're not doing anything. I mean, this wick right here came from the Bitcoin move. All right, so you would think is some sort of descending triangle, which is bearish. But the thing is, every time we make the same low, we're making higher levels of relative strength, which is Class B bullish divergence. So despite anything, I mean, like, I get it. You got some contradicting variables with the bearish pattern. But got to take heed of the bullish divergence right here on the RSI. That's it. But if you can't hold this 116 area, whatever it is, yeah, 116.54, you can't hold that easy enough. You could just go from a minor high or minor low to minor high to get some fib extensions. I think like 108, 106, and 102 or something like that are those fib extensions. But whatever. Add an alert. But dude, even if we do break below this 116.69 area, remember, wait for some confirmation, because we have fallen below this thing 3 or 4 times and have never been able to sustain prices below it on a candle close. So wait for the candle close for confirmation. All right, I haven't got that yet. Okay, that's our P and the rotting bottom, right? But the beautiful new perspective as posted on Twitter is, dang, dude, these FPS drops sucks, dude. I'm playing Crisis right now. Alright, anchor point 1 and 2 on the top, 3 on the top, 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom. And my god, how many unlimited touch points are we getting within the parameters of the downsloping channel, right? The 75, the heart line, the 25, the 25, the heart line, the heart line, the heart line, the 75 over and over and over again, man. It's like perfect. It's freaking perfect, dude. All right. But with all that being said, beating the dead horse again. The dead horse is the July 2017 upsloping support that we are soon approaching. And again, the bullish convergence continues. That's it, man. Okay. Yep, as we discussed, Litecoin. Yep. Turned it around a little bit, just kept hitting those lows and started making higher lows. Alright. Anyway, that's Ripple, dude. We're waiting for like that 30-cent range. Might never get it, but would expect us to somehow bounce based on history. Right, history's been on our side with the support. So if you break it, though, you better have your stop set up, and you better not even think about it after we break it. Okay, I mean, it's just like Bitcoin at 5,800. If we broke 5,800, told you about it for 2 months, you don't want to play with it. You don't want to mess with it. Okay, because once we cracked 5,800 for real, dude, it was over, man. It was over. Within a month, we were down in the 3,000s, 3,200. Okay, so that's it, dude. Dude, no one else can help me with the magnifier thing. You can see it. Anytime I click and I click, you see the white thing that pops up on that magnified ticker. It's ridiculous, man. Jeremy, since we had the 382, you would think that we're done selling off, but I mean, it's not to say we couldn't. All right, there's no real criteria for that, Jeremy, man. Okay, so we might do that, but you would think no. But that's okay, dude. Anyway, what's up, crypto hippie man? Hey, Dennis Perry. Hello, Joker. What's up with Hot? The Hot just nuts, man. Started with a falling wedge and has just continued going to the moon, man. Straight up. I don't know. Low liquidity coin that is easily pumped and will soon be dumped. Probably just as hard as it pumped. That's just stupid. Now I got 24 cores. I should never have any issues with the processes. Just get through chat. What's up, Nyack Singh? Welcome, dude. One nation under the beam. That's right, coffee man. What's up, Robert Kirk? What do I think about the decreasing volume with most of the coins? How is it relevant? You would look at the price action with the volume, and since we're making those slightly lower lows, you know, we like sold off, right? Selling off every time. The receding volume just signifies calm before the storm, right? Okay, so that just means a move is coming soon. All right, you can clearly see. Oh my god! All right, you can clearly see the volume is lower every single time. So whether we break out to the upside or downside soon, seems imminent, right? Just because now we're getting closed in between the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel and the upsloping support from July 2017. So you have some pseudo price contraction going on right now with the volume receding. So it's just signifying the big move coming that we've been waiting for, and it makes sense, right? Because the volatility has been terrible, right? There's just been very little volatility on Bitcoin as of late, and you can see it, the sentiment in the market. People just disappear when crypto volatility goes away, but just like magic, they come running back in droves when the volatility picks up again. So that's really it on that. Pedro, man. I am full screen. Does see lag? My chart goes full screen. Yeah, I'm full screen, and I'm experiencing some FPS lag, whatever. It's not perfect. I've had it better. It's been better before on stream. So I don't know, man. It just happens. There's nothing I can really do about it. I'm screwed. I mean, it's manageable for sure. It's definitely manageable. But I'm sitting at 50% CPU usage right now, which seems really weird, kind of wild. 35% of my RAM usage, and you know I've got 48 gigs of RAM. All right, so anyway, all right, let's go to Litecoin. All right, with Litecoin, you know, we just had that normalization. Okay, just anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 with pretty nice touch points, but we broke it and couldn't sustain prices outside of it and fell right back down. But then we just went sideways, and just like Bitcoin, we've begun to rise the upside, but on very, very little volume, like none, and barely just now starting to make positive momentum, but like whatever, man. Okay, so could be getting ready to make a nice little retrace from your high to low. That's not really a big deal, but the thing I think to take into consideration is the trade we had was great, right? From the right shoulder to the neckline. It was awesome, man. We hit it and then we broke out again, and you know, our secondary target was much higher. But look, the thing to take, high to low, your major daily discernible high to low, we hit a 50% retrace, rejected it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Could not break that 50% retrace at $39. Okay, and that was where we reversed our price action. Dow's theory was perfect there. So we dumped, but the good news is when we dumped, we held above the 50-day moving average on Litecoin. Just as soon as we got a bearish engulfing, we completely bullishly engulfed that, man.
You think this the bottom for BTC? Can you look at the weekly BTC chart?
Y'all gotta learn Chinese. Kills for a living. Thanks for the 444 penny, of course, dude. Dude, you got your sailboats, man. Isn't that what they're called? And when you get pocket fours in poker, you call them sailboats. Thanks, dude. Yeah. Is this the bottom on Bitcoin? You would think that 3,200 area is the temporary bottom, okay, and the retrace should be coming soon, just based on the structure of the pattern, which is that exhaustion flag we're seeing on Bitcoin, and we're now making higher lows. Like, we are struggling so bad to get prices low. We can't do it, man. Like, we're trying. Bitcoin's trying to make the prices get lower, but right now we're just making those nice higher lows, getting rejection wicks and all that. There is demand down there, it seems, especially that wick we saw on the 22nd. So we aren't really in the business of talking about the true bottom being in, right? But you could definitely, there is arguments declaring that it could be, right?
Really appreciate you doing the early streams being from the UK.
Thanks, Robert Kirkman. I really do appreciate the 15 buns, man. Yeah, dude, it is kind of an anomaly nowadays for me to go live on Saturday during the day. But I don't know, man. I was messing with a PC, and we're getting Chandler and me are working on the 80 stuff and that theme and whatever. Whatever, man. Just quick updates, and I'll go as long as like people would want me to, or you know, like I'll just do it like a standard day stream or whatever these days. So, thanks, man. I appreciate the appreciation, dude. But you know, with Litecoin, I don't know the higher low, holding above the 50-day moving average, but right now struggling to get above the 20-day moving average. Just can't do it. There's no volume at all involved. Okay, so I guess the number is $30, right? Don't fall below $30 or $29.50. That's like really a big support there now. Okay, that we've established. Let's go back to Bitcoin. For kills for a living. Okay, is this a temporary bottom? Temporary bottom. Always hard to say, man. You'd expect with the move down like that. I guess I could share the Coinbase chart after this, but you want to see the weekly, so we can definitely do the weekly. Hold on. All right. Weekly. Weekly's pretty good, man. There's good news about the weekly. I know there's a lot of stuff there. It's hard to see it, but look what we're bouncing off of. Oh my God, man. Let me So we're bouncing off near that 200-week moving average, getting pretty close, right? But I know people want to see the weekly probably because we're just showing some pretty nice looking divergence, right? Some weekly bullish divergence. And I can't do it, man. It's going to pop up. Watch, everything's going to pop back up. All right, so I mean, you're getting it kind of like this. So every time you make a low and a lower low in price, you're making those higher levels of or lower levels of negative momentum, right? So just kind of like that, your negative momentum, you're holding on to some, you still have it, but it's very, very little now. There's not too much momentum anymore. Negative momentum, all right? So low, lower low, lowest low, all right? Lower levels every time. Eventually that'll play out, but my God, man, good luck waiting on the weekly divergence to play out in the short term. Just, you're going to go crazy. You will go crazy waiting on it, right? But that critical support area, sure, we could come down to test 3,000, 3,100 again, but you would expect a major retrace at some point soon. Okay. David Jones.
Crypto Kaya the RSI Mitch Russo Lawrence. Live broadcast from Greenbow, Alabama. Let's go bowl a few Mitch. The Big Lebowski.
Yeah, but dude, let's go bowling. Hey, David Jones, man, thanks for the 589. I really appreciate that, and yeah, dude, I'll see you at Brunswick Lanes off 280, man. All right, Riverview. Let's go, dude. I'll be waiting. All right, head on over. I'll be there in a little bit, okay? I know it'll take you some time to get there, but you get it, man. You get it. All right, so looking at your weekly kills for a living, dude. I don't know. I'll tell you this. So we got the weekly divergence, bullish divergence on the MACD. That's true. And to some pretty critical support levels, dude. I mean, like, you don't want to fall below the 200-week moving average. It's terrible. But you also don't want to fall below these supports, right, that we bounced off of before. Okay, so I'll go back to daily for you. You have some very slight daily divergence, okay, which could be very slight, and it's in the short term, right? But this could be what we need with the bullish convergence, and in the short term, maybe some bullish divergence right here. It could be exactly what we need for a break to the upside. Okay. Let me go to the Coinbase chart so you can see kind of again, like, will this beat another dead horse? I mean, we talked about so many different freaking scenarios in here, right? Thing we're looking for, or we're looking at, is here. Okay, this is the other way of looking at this. Okay, man. All right, so you've got you're being held within two parameters, two trend lines, right? It's that exhaustion flag, the exhaustion flag we've been looking for over and over and over again, right? Or looking at, where you have a huge impulse down, and then you create structure. There is structure here. Okay, well respected resistances, and now it seems supports. Okay. If we alt-eyed this, it'd be us talking about, wow, extreme move to the upside, but where are people able to accumulate? They can't. Why are we making lower highs than our previous highs up here? We just can't summon any kind of demand to get us to higher prices. What's going on, dude? Struggling. And now we had just broken out of the upsloping support we were in, right? We're out of it now. And holding outside of it, back testing, trying to anyway. All right, so you would think that lower prices in this situation could make a lot of sense. All right, so inverse everything I just said and go the other way. All right, major retrace, waiting for it, waiting for the big one. Okay, we haven't gotten it yet. All right, the structure has been, we've been forming it since November 22nd, really. I mean, that's really when it all started. And made our lowest low on the 15th. So kills for a living, thanks for the force, and hopefully that's somewhat, helping, I guess, a little bit, right? Okay, cool, dude, cool. Yeah, Jacob, that's what I should do, man. Scroll back through some chat now. Like, oh man, I missed where I was at. What's up, Lucas, dude? Put all important on a USB, reformat, and reinstall Windows. Bam, perfect. No, dude, no way, man. I've already done that. Dude, we did that. Like, literally, like, last week or something. Okay, or 2 weeks ago. There's nothing on this PC. There's, like, you know, I don't do anything on this PC, really. Like, besides just this. Okay, so. Make the live stream. Bull run, bull run, bull run. FOMO now. Get in now. Get in now or you're screwed. Steve Schmidt says last night's episode was a good time. Yeah, man, 311, dude. We had a good time. And the stream stayed up. How about that, man? The stream literally stayed up. We didn't get taken down. That was awesome, dude. All right. Augie, man, I don't know if you've been here. Like, if you're asking me that question, you clearly are new and haven't been watching for very long. But we would expect some higher prices for now. I mean, look, we just hit our first target on the bullish Carly pattern. All right. Is it more accurate on Forex or crypto? I mean, you know, that's like, I don't know if anyone's done any research on that yet, really. But is it more accurate? I don't know. Bitcoin follows the technical analysis very, very well. Okay. S coins, it can definitely be tricky on S coins sometimes because the variable of Bitcoin is so crazy. They're so sensitive to it. All right. But Forex is very tried and true for technical analysis, Isaac. I'll tell you that. All right. What's up, Randy Bobandi? Have I made sure all my porn windows are closed? Oh no, dude, crap. That's a good idea, dude. Mike. All right, y'all. Mike is the IT guy of the year. Thanks so much, dude. Augie, League of Legends, dude. We're talking about League of Legends, man. For lots of love, or is that laugh out loud? So, Mark Foster, good evening to you, dude. All right, let's move on. Okay. Jeez. Come on, England. What you looking for? Come on, England. Stupid wigs, dude. Seriously, such stupid wigs. Alright, let me see what I can do here. Disregard the craziness in CDC. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. Go with what makes the most sense. CVC is a prime example of that. Interesting. Okay. CVC. Hey, good dude. This is what I got, man. I don't know. Look, I just messed around here using anchor points on the bottom, like 1 and 2. September 9th or 8th and 11th or 12th, right? And then one up here. But like, love that, dude. Okay, so we get bonus anchor point July 3rd. But look, man, I mean, there's a wick here. All right, when I have it anchored like that, look what happens, dude. You get like hardline support, resistance, like perfect resistance. Then you get 25% support. Good God.
Going to enjoy some hot cherry and pineapple dump cake while I watch your stream. Thanks for the early stream.
Pineapple dump cake? What in the world is that? Hold on a second, dude. Pineapple dump cake. Why would they call it dump cake, dude? There's so many names, right? That's like someone want me to analyze like titty coin or something. It's like there's so many things you could get me to analyze. Why titty coin, right? Why pineapple dump cake? Inverse dump cake, alright. What about moon cake? There are moon pies. So dump cake is what you eat in a bear market, and then moon pie is what you eat in the bull market, right? So let's see. So what is it called? Dump cake? Yeah, upside down dump cake. Sprinkle dry cake, mix over pineapple, mix cherry mixture, stir until just combine, and sprinkle walnuts over the top. Drizzle the top with melted butter. Butter? Or margarine? Alright, Surf Fishing Men. I'll tell you this right now. We're gonna do it. But maybe if I can find it. I gotta add this to my... What in the... I need to add this to my stream deck. Okay, alright, I got one word for you, Surf Fishing. One freaking word. Diabetes. Diabetes. Thanks. Awesome. Thanks, dude. So you just gotta love the touch points here on CBC. Civic coin. Alright. Let's see here. You getting those slightly... slightly lower lows. I mean, I guess some RSI bullish divergence. To some extent, whatever. Really, it's top tier. And then all of a sudden, well... Yeah, because this was a low, and this was a lower low. So yeah, just you're getting that relative strength increase with lower prices somewhat. Alright. This is really just your zoomed up view. This stems all the way back to like June, I guess. Really tough, man. Look at this wick. Holy crap. This is a perfect channel. Okay. Good God. Anyway, well, we finally cracked the heartline. We did it, man. We did it. And you're probably looking at the zoomed in view, right? Like, what's happening, dude? It's tough, dude. James.
Drink a gallon of buttermilk tequila and prune juice, Mitch. Check out XLM, please.
That's cool if I want to be sober and vomit. Thanks, James, of the water cooler. Sure, dude. Yeah. Yeah, we'll look at XLM next, dude. Sure. Good lord, dude. Good lord. Alright, so what's happening here? Dude, it's tough, man. These wicks. Wick City. I mean, you would think there's just some sort of range-bound price action going on. I don't know, dude. You have a horizontal line here, and then you've got I can't back, I guess. Good God, just got throttled out hard. I'm back, I guess, man. Jeez. All right, so it's right now on CVC, dude. You found support at 1439, and then now here we are hitting the same resistance. We've hit 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. Now your fifth time. These waxers.
Hey Ma'on, thanks for the early Saturday stream.
Anytime, Ma'on. And well, Ma'on, family. Well, thank y'all for watching, right? Sorry about the internet freaking out. I don't know what that was. Thanks, y'all. Y'all are amazing. Kings and queens. So, I don't know, dude. I don't know if you're going to break this level. Dude, this is an extremely strong level of resistance. We've seen this resistance a billion times, okay, with wickage. So, you would think there's some sort of higher risk up here on CVC, and it's not going to be easy to break at all, okay? But nice impulse up with a bullish, and you could call this a bullish rectangle, all right? Bullish rectangle. Very easy. If we ever were to break this zone, this 1519 to 1533 area, very easy to find out what the measured move would be. When we conservative here, I mean, it seems like being conservative makes most sense because you have 1, again, 2, 3, and 4, and now 5 touch points there. So that I get this one move up here, but dude, being conservative, there's nothing wrong with it. All right, what the? Okay. Measure from the breakout of that little area. This is it, man. That's where you could go. This is where you could see the sats run if we got up there. Okay. 1599, 1600. Oh, look, there's a wick right there. That would make sense, right? That would make plenty of sense. Okay. But candle body close, very important. I don't know. I think you should, dude, it's really tough. You have to break, even if you break this right here, 1521. You still have to break above 1533, so it's not going to be easy at all. All right. There you go on CVC. Come on, England. Give me zip. Same type of stuff, man. Same type of stuff. What's going on with XLM, dude? Guess we can be zoomed out first. Okay. No picture again? Are we good now? No, that'll happen, dude. That's happened for a year now, Captain Happy. Sometimes, dude, it's just like a lot of moving pieces, and sometimes it just will crap out. Bit rates or spike or something, and it just can't handle it, and then just dumps off for a minute. Mooncakes are a Chinese thing. Conspiracy. Thanks, dude. Alright, so anyway, downsloping channel, kind of very similar to Bitcoin, right? Beautiful, beautiful downsloping resistance. And we had the cipher. It didn't quite hit where it should have probably hit, but dude, nevertheless, it was still a lower high. That C to D was good. Whatever, dumped. You know, hit 382 and 62% retrace, so both targets hit there, but have gone sideways. We had some sort of a triangle, broke to the upside, then was a false breakout, then we started forming some other structure, which is the falling wedge, I think, right? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We fell, unfortunately, fell below this support back from December 6th. So continually showing more bullish divergence. We are making slightly lower lows than our previous lows, and we're still making higher levels of relative strength. And guess what? You can bet your butt making lower levels of lower levels of negative momentum as well. All right, so it's almost inexistent. You can't even see it right now. Okay, so eventually we'd be looking for some pop, but hey, man, if you're not able to sustain prices above back December 6th, could come down and touch what is it, 9.6 cents, 9.3 cents, right? And that's fine, right? Look, you can respect the downsloping support and keep on bouncing. No demand yet, but maybe at one of these support levels we'll find that demand, some buy orders, and maybe then we will pop. So there could be lower risk entries down here, even inside the pattern itself. Pretty cool, right? Sweet. Thanks to the 108 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Probably just YouTube. I don't think anyone's on Twitch. I don't even know why I stream on Twitch anymore. It probably just bogs things down. It is weird because I have a lot of limitations because I do stream on multiple platforms. Like, I can't streamline anything. I can't go pure all up on Twitch or all up on YouTube. I have to split it up. It's annoying. The polar wobble. Yeah, that's what it is, man. Aren't we due for that? Right? RSI looks high. What do you mean high, Billy Man? Anyway, so this is what you'd expect, right? From a low to a high up here. Let's do this real quick, okay? Think about it like this, man. You had your huge move up, and now you're selling off and retracing. And what happens when we attempt that rally we see on all markets all the time? We will attempt to double top or sometimes make a higher high, whatever. But right now we're sitting right at the 88.6% retrace. Okay, this is the area, dude. These are the areas. All right, it's getting crazy when you got bullish divergence like that, and you're at an 88% retrace, and volume's pretty freaking low. Okay, these are areas where you do bounce. So XLM, not bad, dude. Not freaking bad. Now we thought it was good. It's getting even better. Okay, the lower the prices get on lower volume, with more RSI bullish divergence and active bullish divergence, the more promising and the more incentivizing this trade setup looks. Okay. So that's it on XLM. Dude. So true stoner, dude. Look right, man. Thanks, Lord Dumbington, dude. Alright. Chat's kind of died. So that's normally what I do. Alright, we'll look at another one for the Kang Man. Oh my god, man. Wait, is there another tether pair though? Maybe? No, there's not. This is it, dude. Dude. No real structure, man. Let's do this for Phil, dude. Might. Oh. It's only been around. Right? It's cool, though, that they put it as a... what? The 16th is now a tether pair. That's awesome. Somehow, some way, finding some support. There's just not much, dude, right? The structure is not very good, right? I mean, the wicks, like, what am I supposed to do here? You're holding on to lots of negative momentum. There's plenty of room for this to continue selling off. There's a little bit of divergence going on, but have we established a swing low yet? Fill them in, I don't know. So this thing could just keep on selling and we could just start picking up negative momentum again. Alright, so yeah, support zone, but dude, there's just not much context here, right? All we're seeing are like candles from the 16th. So really don't know what to tell you besides maybe we should just wait for some more data. I mean, how do you use it? Do you use the wick? So if I get down sloping resistance, there you go, man. That's pretty good, right? Look, you got the heartline resistance, heartline support. That might be a decent way to look at it for now. Okay, I know you got the wicks and stuff, right? But whatever, man. That's it, dude. I would plot some divergence, but we got to make a swing low. Okay, but yeah, support area. What happened, SD, dude? Can't do that. The devil's lettuce. Yeah, North Korea's hacking the stream. Lord Dumbington, that's it, dude. Yeah, we're gonna look at Tron Connect. Gonna take try the 1 hour, sure. Maybe we should let's try the 60 minutes. What happens if we do use that wick, huh? How about this, man? How about we just try this? Phil, man. Just mess around, okay? Have fun, dude. It's Saturday. Go wild on the charts. It's alright. Right? If we do it like that and you get like the, look at the 25% trend line getting hit, the heart line support. Yeah, it's alright, man, right? But I think the biggest thing, right, the bump and run, if you're looking for the bump and run, Phil, man, it's jeez. If you're looking for the bump and run, you're looking to break like 47.5, 47.6 cents, right? You can set up an alert up here, and that'd be our bump and run. All right, pretty easy. That I can't really fib yet, can I? Because we haven't really established a swing low. We don't know if this is the swing low yet, right? So it's a good way to look at it on 60 minute. But Kangs, Phil. Kangs. And yeah, 60 minute bullish divergence on the MACD, but not on the RSI. Unless you go from this low to this low, then it's a double bottom, then it's some form of class B bullish divergence from this low to this low with MACD bullish divergence here at a critical support. So it might pop, it might break the upside, at least for a little bit. Receding volume too, right? Lows, lower levels of volume every time. It's another bullish indicator. So 60 minute looks alright. Looks alright, dude. How's that feel, dude? Might. So is there bearish, or is there bullish patterns in the market or bearish? What do you mean, Augie, dude? Bullish Gartley patterns, that's bullish. let's go do a Tron Connect, I guess, right? Hitting the heart line. Hitting the heart line, dude. Here's your uptrend from the major breakout we had. Been Kang's ever since, right? So look what happened when we broke that trend line. Boom. All right, so nice little double. Hold on, dang, dude. Where's the candle close here? Give me a sec, all right? Not gonna be a garlic, it'd be a might be a bat. Bearish bat pattern going on, maybe. Definitely, right? Some sort. Let's give me a sec, okay? Okay, so let's try this out. We're not using the wick. We're gonna use the. Going to use the candle close. X day. Okay, 50% reach. Oh my god, dude. Candle close, 50% retrace, 49.2, whatever, right? And the retrace between the 382 and the 886 here. Okay, perfect. This one's the easy one, right? That C is always easy. So where do you expect to go? We're expected, what this pattern should be doing is we should be getting an 88.6%. Oh my god, dude. This is, dude, a textbook bearish bat harmonic pattern right now. Okay, X, A, B, C, D is 88% retrace. This is meeting their criteria. I like perfectly, dude, perfectly. Let's just pull it up for you so we can talk about it. Bearish bat pattern. Eventually I'll have my own stuff made by somebody or something. I'll make it myself, whatever. Okay. That's it. Okay, so I'm trying to find a nice big picture of it for you. This is the one from the book. Yeah, this one's, dude, someone like just scanned all these from this book. Cheaters, dude. All right, let me zoom in on this. All right, crap, let me change this real quick. Everything got all bugged out. I had to restart my PC. Okay, we're good now. All right. Down. Yeah, hold on. There we go. All right, so from X to A, that is your impulse. Nothing required. But from X to A, from a high to a low, we want to retrace between 38% and 50%. Right? You see it? Right? From X to A, when we retrace between 38% retrace and a 50% retrace, right? Tron Connect, 49.2%, pretty much 50%, perfectly, right? Before selling off. Okay. And then when we break down from B to C, from A to B, from a low to a high, we want to retrace between 38% and 88.6%. What do we do? From A to B, we retraced 60% of the way. All right, so that's between a 38% retrace and an 88.6% retrace. And then the big move up from X to A, we want to retrace 88% of the way. Around there, close to there. Where are we? So far, we're pretty much at like a 78% retrace or so, right? There you go, man. Oh, okay, also, from B to C, from a high to low, we want to retrace, this C to D, you want to retrace between 161.8% and 261.8%. Okay, so you'd fib from a high to a low, and that would give it to you, okay? And where are we right now? We're at 230. If we ran out and hit the 886, we'd hit a 230% retrace, which is fine. That's between the 1618 and the 2618. We're good, man. We're good. All the criteria met. Textbook, bearish bat pattern. It says bearish pat. Patriots, bearish. Patriots, okay. Here we go, man. We're doing the thing like in Independence Day, man. Bearish pat. We see it. That means the Pats are going to lose to the Rams. Mark it down. Okay. It's done. Okay, dude. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of harmonic education. If you did, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Holy crap. We'll see if we can be Kangs. See if we can do it. Very easy to get targets, okay? I mean, the way you do it, you just go from C to whenever we form that D, from low to high, 382, 618, and then the 1618, or no, the 1272 down here somewhere. Okay. Predictable patterns. History repeating itself. That's what we're looking for. Boom. And we just thought it was going to be a fast, quick update on the charts. Why not, man? Why not invest in ourselves a little bit on this Saturday? Who cares? Who cares? There's the 123 people here that do care. Well, you have bullish Garleys and bearish Garleys, Augie. All you hear is a TA, but the missus is talking to you. You don't know, man. You better listen, surf fishing. Poor Morgan, dude. Not good for your health, to only listen to me. Okay, man. Captain Happy, you talking about adding water to my PC? Oh, some snow to my PC? Alright, I don't think that's good for it, but yeah, dude. Alright, man. Very cool. See how it plays out if we can get up there to the 88% retrace. Sweet, dude. It's up 2 bits. Dave John Solo. Alright. Y'all, it's been an awesome stream. Thanks so much for the contributions, the likes. No appreciation for the subs because we got none. Again, nothing new there. Alright, so I'll be back tonight at 11 Eastern. Bring your own beer. So until next time, respect the T day.